Hello and welcome to my Submagic B-roll video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add B-rolls to your video using Submagic AI. Okay, so watch this video till the end because in this video, I'm going to share 2 to 3 methods that will help you to add B-roll to your video using Submagic AI. And if you want to follow along, then I will give the Submagic AI free trial link in the video description. Just click on that link and create your free account without giving your credit card detail. And suppose if you want to upgrade, then you can use my Submagic promo code Sumit10 for 10% instant discount on any Submagic AI plan. So without any further delay, let's get started. So when you will log into your Submagic account, then you will see a dashboard like this. So all you need to do is just click on this create button and select video from here and just click on this button to upload your video. Okay, so when you will upload your video, then you will see a dashboard like this. As you already know that there is lots of caption style. So if you want to change the caption style, so let me show you. So if you want to change the caption style, then you can change it using these options. Okay, so there are lots of caption styles like Alex Sarmoji caption style, Ali Abdal caption style, Iman type caption style, Mr. Beast type caption style. So there are lots of caption style. You can select it according to your requirement, and also you can increase or decrease size. You can change the position, and if you want to change the color, then you can do it everything using this option. So in this video, I'm not going to cover all these things. I'm mainly going to cover Submagic B-roll in this video. So if you want to add B-roll, then just click on this B-roll option, and from here you can add B-rolls to your video. Okay, let me show you how it will look initially.
If you are planning to purchase Submagic AI, then I am going to share a special coupon code with you that will help you to get 10% discount on any Submagic AI pricing plan. So all you need to do is just log into your account and click on the pricing tab. When you will click on it, then you will see all the pricing plan. Just select your plan and click on the buy now button, and after that apply the coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% instant discount on any Submagic AI plan.
Okay, so our video will look something like this without B-roll. Okay, so it is showing my face and caption throughout the video. So if you want to change the scene with something else, then you can do it using Submagic B-roll. So I have selected B-roll from here. So if I want to change planning with any other B-roll, then what I can do, I can click on planning, I can click on search B-roll, and from here I can select any of the B-roll footage from here. Okay, so for example, I want to select this one. It is looking good, like we are planning something. So let me apply this. Now let me play this so you can understand how it will look.
If you are planning Submagic AI, I am going to share it.
Okay, I hope you understood. So it replaced the scene with some other stock footage. So for example, let me show you. If I want to change click with something else, like we are clicking something or like this. So there are 3 ways of adding B-roll, as I already told you. So I'm going to show you second method. Instead of clicking on any of text and click on search B-roll, you can click on this plus icon and you can search B-roll here. So for example, I want to search something like click. So let's select this one, click here. So it is good. So I'm going to select it, just apply it. So as you can see, it has added B-roll using this method. So this is the second method. Okay, we can click on this plus icon and we can add B-roll. So let me play this, how it will look, you can understand. So
all you need to do is just log into account pricing tab, then you will see.
Okay, so as you can see, it has added B-roll, and now I'm going to show you third method of adding B-roll, but it is not perfect. You can click on this magic B-roll button and you can add B-rolls to your video, but I will not recommend it. Why? Because it is not perfect. Sometimes it will add some irrelevant B-rolls to your video that you don't want, or it can add some B-rolls like which is totally irrelevant to what we are talking about. Okay, so for demo process, I am going to click on this B-roll button. So when you will click on it, then it will take some time, and after that you will see B-rolls and zoom added successfully. So it has added some B-rolls, as you can see. Select the plan and click on the buy now button. Here it has added some B-roll. So let me play this.
Just select your plan, click on the buy, and after that apply the coupon 10, get 10%.
If I will add magic B-roll, then it will be not perfect. Let me show you. We are talking about selecting a pricing plan and click on buy now button, and it is showing footage of something like we we are planning for a trip. In the second sentence, we are talking about applying the coupon code. So it should add something like we are using our credit card and buying something and applying coupon code, but it is showing a footage where we are applying any kind of lotion in our body. So it is again totally irrelevant. Okay, let me show you.
After that, apply the coupon code 10.
Okay, so as you can see, Magic B Roll option is still not perfect. So Submagic, I'm not saying that Submagic B Roll is waste of time. Submagic B Roll is very good, but if you are adding it manually, then it is good. But if you are using Magic B Roll option, then it is not good for you. Okay, so let me delete this which Magic B Roll has added, and now let me show you how to add B rolls manually. So here in this line we are talking about pricing plan. So just select the pricing, click on search B-roll, and from here we can select any relevant image. For example, this one is looking right. We are thinking like which plan we should purchase, like we are thinking about something, so it is looking good. So I'm going to apply it. So in this way you can apply, and there are lots of transition animations like film burn 2, film B-roll, vintage, glitch, zoom out, fast, comic, zoom slow, and there are lots of animations. So if you want to apply any animation, then you can apply it. So let's say I want to apply this zoom out effect. So I have selected it, and let's apply it, and let's play this video.
So all you need to do is just into your account.
So as you can see, it has added zoom out effect in our B-roll. So I will highly recommend you to add B-rolls to your video manually just by clicking either on the text or on this plus button. Okay, so I use only this two method to apply B-roll to your video using Submagic AI. If you will use this Magic B-roll option, then it will add totally irrelevant B-rolls to your video. So I will not recommend you to use Magic B-roll option. So let me add some more B-rolls in this video, and I will show you the final footage just in a minute. So please wait. Okay, so I have added some more B-rolls in this video. So let me play this video so you can understand how it will look in the final video.
If you are planning to purchase Submagic AI, then I am going to share a special coupon code with you that will help you to get 10% discount on any Submagic AI pricing plan. So all you need to do is just log into your account and click on the pricing tab. When you will click on it, then you will see all the pricing plan. Just select your plan and click on the buy now button, and after that apply the coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% instant discount on any Submagic AI plan.
Okay, so in this way you can use Submagic AI to add B-rolls to your video. Free trial link is in the video description. Just use that link to try Submagic AI for free without giving your credit card detail. And if you want to upgrade, then you can use my promo code Sumit10 for 10% instant discount on any Submagic AI plan. So use my promo code if you want to support this channel, and coupon code is also in the video description. Thank you for watching, friends. See you in my next video.